Hey everyone! If you're new to video editing and want to do some quick skin touch-ups like removing under-eye dark circles or making lips more vibrant, this tutorial is for you. Step 1. Create an adjustment layer. What to do? Right-click in your project panel. Select New Item, Adjustment Layer. Then, drag this adjustment layer onto the track while you're doing this. Acts like a transparent film where you can apply effects without touching your original clip. Step 2. Open Lumici Color Panel. HSL Secondary lets you isolate and adjust specific colors or areas in your video, like the dark circle under eyes or the red tones of lips, without affecting the rest of the image. Grab the eyedropper tool and click on the darkest part of the under eye area in your footage. Then, check the box labeled Color Gray. The Color Gray view shows you what part of the frame will be affected. White and gray equals selected and will change. Black equals untouched. This helps you fine-tune the selection visually. Step 4. Refine the selection with denoise and blur. Denoise smooths out any unwanted noise or sharp pixel areas in your selection. It helps avoid that grainy or patchy look. Blur softens the edges of your selected zone so that any corrections blend smoothly naturally into the skin. Harsh edges can make your corrections obvious and fake-looking.
Step 5. Brighten the under-eye area. What to do? Scroll down to the correction section. Now increase the luminance or mid-tone slider gently. Start small and observe. While you're doing this, increasing brightness in just the selected under-eye area lifts the shadows, mimicking the effect of a concealer. But don't overdo it. Too much and it will look flat or unnatural. Step 6. Add a mask around the face. Optional but powerful. What to do? Go to the Effect Controls panel while your adjustment layer is selected. Under Lumetri Color, use the pen tool to draw a loose mask around the face area. Then increase Mask Feather, around 20 to 30, Mask Expansion, around 10 to 15. While you're doing this, the mask limits the color correction to just the face area. Without this, if the background has similar colors like a dark shadow, those areas might get unintentionally brightened. Feathering softens the edge of the mask for a seamless blend, and expansion ensures the effect covers the necessary region without cutting off too early. Step 7. Boost lip color using hue and saturation. What to do? Still in the HSL secondary panel, select a new eyedropper tool. Click on the lip color, usually pink, red, or brownish tones depending on your footage. You'll now see 3 dots or triangles appear on the hue line. These define the range of colors being affected. Spread them out a little to cover all the lip shades. Then increase the saturation slider. While you're doing this method isolates the lips and enhances their natural color. By boosting saturation only in that color range, the lips pop more without affecting the skin or background. You now have a subtle lipstick effect, natural but effective. Step 8. View before and after. This method is great for YouTube creators, interview editors, or anyone who wants to clean up skin tone without external tools. Keep practicing and every edit will get smoother. Happy editing!